Here is another Hungarian recipe. Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a relatively simple recipe for creamy pheasant soup.
Az uram a kocsmába, jaj, de nagyon rossz a szokása. Oly le 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 le, oly le 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 le.
But before we get started, I want to point out just a few things. Now, I know when I say Hungarian, we always use paprika and sour cream. In this case, we are not going to do that, but we will use some heavy whipping cream. Pheasant needs to be cooked a very long time, longer than chicken. So for this soup, we're going to take about 2 to 3 hours on low heat because you want to make sure the meat is very soft. The vegetables in this soup, basically it can be almost anything that's in season. That's always best. You want to use at least 4 or 5 different types of vegetables. You don't want potatoes. This type of soup actually calls for noodles, so not potatoes and not rice. And I think that's all I have to say, so let's get started.
Kezd a hajnal hasadni, kezd a csávom kamelleni. Jaj, 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 nyalom a kenyere, jó tudott a cigányfiú táncolni. Jaj, 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 nyalom a kenyere, jó tudott a cigányfiú táncolni. Jaj, lej, 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 jaj, lej, 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 a hajnal hasadni, kezd a csávom penelni. Jaj, 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 nyalom a kenyere, jó tudott a cigányfiú tücsködni. Jaj, 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 nyalom a kenyere, jó tudott a cigányfiú táncolni. Jaj, de 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 de, jaj, de 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 de. Jaj, 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 nyalom a kenyere, jó tudott a cigányfiú táncolni. Jaj, 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 nyalom a kenyere, jó tudott a cigányfiú táncolni. Liza, 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 kaj šuda ne šave de mamo. Hop, 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 ando pa i šudales, nanele somaše i mamo. Hop, 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 umore i šavale, ne blesam u kaftu. Čimaj baro, čimaj lažo, najde kalošavo. Rumole i šavale, ne blesam u kaftu. Čimaj baro, čimaj lažo, najde kalošavo. Romolei, chavale, ermano Lizo, 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 kaj šuda ne šave de mamo. Hop, 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 ando pa i šudales, nanele somaše i mamo. Hop, 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 rumale i šavale, devle sam u kaftu. Čimaro, čimaro, lajda kalošavo.
Thank you so much for watching. I love this soup. I think it's delicious. I love creamy soups. I don't like the typical see-through chicken noodle type soup. So if you try this out, please let me know in the comments how it turned out, or if you have used different types of vegetables, or if you have changed anything up. I would love to hear from you. And also I want to let you know you can do the same recipe with chicken. So just in case you can't really get a hold of pheasant, you can use chicken or even use turkey. Turkey is actually very similar to pheasant, in my opinion, the way it bakes and cooks and everything. So thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed already and you like what you see, please consider subscribing. That way you will stay updated for anything new coming out. Thank you. See you soon.
A csórom cigánygyerek az jár itt, annak a pipája marad itt. Viszik az uram a kocsmába, jaj, de nagyon rossz a szokása. Oly le 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 le, oly le 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 le, oly le 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 le. Ay,